Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on Google Meet. You click on settings. Here you go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about Google Meet and you click. Then you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and we'll turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.